Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now go to Google Assistant and then click Hey Google and voice match. Then click here on Hey Google and click I agree. Now click I agree again and click next. Now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click next. Then you can go back and click on lock screen. Now make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.